the state fair with my family. Sorry about my hair looking all messed up. I just got done with a ride that I was riding with my sister. So if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. But we're having a good time right now. Sister, I'm making a video. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, that was my sister. Isn't she pretty? She's so pretty. She's camera shy. Where are we going? I don't know. We got this stuff on the ride. So I'm having a good time being here for a couple hours.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Hi.
Say hello to the people.
Hi.
That's my car. She's pretty too.
Hi again. I know you can't hear me, but hi.
Yeah. So yeah, we just got done with a Skyflyer, whatever it's called. My wind was blowing through the air. It was fun. I like that. It's not because the Fumigario was some of the rides are kind of scary. So, well, not scary. Like they flip upside down and turn up, go upside down and turn this way, turn that way, kind of us. And it was kind of scary but fun at the same time. So yeah, having a pretty good time. I'm gonna be recording another one later on. So until then, see you guys later. Bye.